All right, welcome. It is December 18th, and we are about to break down everything you need to know about the Indian stock market right before that opening bell rings. So all the info we're covering today, it's pulled right from this market snapshot. Our goal here is super simple. Give you the most actionable insights for the day ahead. Let's dive right in.
Okay, first things first, the all-important pre-market signal. Before our own market even opens, GIF Nifty gives us this huge clue about where things might be headed. And today's number is down just a tiny bit, 0.10%. Now I know, on its own, that number doesn't look like much, but it's all about what it's telling us.
And what it's telling us is, well, don't expect a big bang at the open. This signal points to a pretty flat, maybe even slightly down start to the day. It's a day to be patient right from the get-go.
So how does that little dip fit into the bigger picture? What's the overall feeling, the mood among traders today? And honestly, this quote from our source just nails it. The key words are cautious but stable. This isn't panic, not at all. It's more like the market is just taking a breather, consolidating right around that big psychological number, 26,000 on the Nifty.
So what's that mean for your game plan? Well, it means the big index moves might be kind of limited. The smart play today is probably going to be hunting for individual stocks that are doing their own thing. Basically, expect a choppy session, not a straight shot up or down.
Now, what's actually causing this cautious vibe? Let's peel back the layers a bit and look at the key forces that are really shaping the action today.
And check this out. This is that classic tug-of-war we see so often. You've got the foreign investors, the FIIs, being pretty picky and doing some selling. But then on the other side, our domestic investors, the DIIs, are stepping right in, buying on the dips, and kind of holding the line. This whole dynamic is the reason we have that stable feeling we just talked about.
And here's a fantastic snapshot of where the money is and isn't flowing. The real action seems to be in public sector undertakings, PSUs, along with defense and infrastructure. Metals are getting some looks, and FMCG is holding steady. But look at IT. That sector's looking a bit weak, so that's definitely an area to be careful with today.
All right, so since the main market is expected to be a bit sleepy, the real game is in finding those individual stocks. So let's drill down and look at some specific names that are showing some breakout potential.
This is it, right? This is the question everyone's asking. So, based on the data, here are 5 companies that are lighting up the watch list this morning. And here they are. You've got Bajaj Housing Finance, IRFC, MSUMI Wiring, NHPC, and Raju Engineers. It's a pretty diverse list from a few different sectors, but they're all flagged for potential upside momentum. So this is a great starting point for your own research today. Okay, let's wrap this all up. To really navigate this market, you need a map. And for Nifty traders, that map is always defined by the key support and resistance levels.
Seriously, these are the numbers you're going to want to have scribbled down or plugged into your charts. They're going to be your guideposts for the whole session, telling you where the market might turn and where it might just take off.
So keep a very close eye on 26,050. Think of that as the ceiling for right now. If the bulls can manage to push the Nifty past that level with some real force, we could see a whole new wave of buying come in.
And on the flip side, 25,900 is the floor. If the market breaks down below this point, that's a signal of weakness. It probably means the sellers are starting to get the upper hand for the day.
And here it is all in one spot for you, your cheat sheet for the day. Your primary ceiling is 26,050, with another one above it at 26,250. And your safety nets below are at 25,900 and 25,750. Definitely keep these levels handy. So there you have it, the pre-market signal, the overall mood, the key players, the hot stocks, and your strategic levels. We've laid out the whole game board for you based on the data. Now, the next move is yours.